If you want to share your Google Calendar with read-only access, this video will show you exactly how to do it step by step. This is perfect when you want someone to see your schedule, event details, or availability without giving them permission to make changes to your calendar. Whether you're sharing with a coworker, assistant, client, or family member, this method keeps your calendar secure while still making it easy to collaborate. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Calendar in your browser and make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account. Once the calendar loads, look at the left side of the screen under My Calendars. This is where all of your personal or connected calendars are listed. Find the calendar you want to share because Google Calendar lets you control sharing settings for each calendar individually. Next, move your mouse over the calendar name and click the three dots next to it. This opens a menu with several options for managing that specific calendar. From this menu, click Settings and Sharing. This takes you into the full settings page where you can customize who can access your calendar and what they can do with it. Now scroll down until you see the section labeled Share with specific people or groups. This is the area you'll use when you want to give an access to one person or a small group instead of making the calendar public. Click the people and given in groups to begin. A box will appear where you can enter the person's email address. Type the email carefully because this determines exactly who will receive access. If you're sharing with a team or organization, you can also enter a group address here if needed. After that, you'll see permission settings for that person. To make the calendar read-only, choose See All Event Details. This is the key setting that gives them access to view your calendar and event information without allowing them to edit, delete, or create events on your calendar. It's a great option if you want transparency without giving full control. Once you've selected the correct permission level, click Send. Google Calendar will then send an invitation to that person's email address. After they accept, they'll be able to view the calendar with read-only access based on the permission you selected. That's it. You've now shared your Google Calendar in read-only mode, which is a simple and secure way to let others stay informed without giving away editing rights. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and check out the next tutorial for more easy Google Workspace tips.